We'll guide you through how to add Wix apps to enhance your website's functionality. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Wix website. Log in to your Wix account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on your Wix dashboard, look for the App Market option in the left-hand menu. Click on it to open the Wix App Market. Here, you can browse through a variety of apps designed to improve different aspects of your website, from marketing tools to design enhancements. You can use the search bar at the top if you have a specific app in mind. Once you find an app that interests you, click on it to view more details. You'll see information about what the app does, user reviews, and often screenshots or videos showing the app in action. If you decide you want to add the app, click the Add to Site button. The app will then be installed on your site, and you'll usually see a new option or widget appear in your site editor. Follow any additional setup instructions provided by the app to configure it to your liking. You might need to adjust settings or permissions depending on what the app requires. Remember, some apps are free, while others may have a premium version or require a subscription. Make sure to review any costs associated if you're adding a paid app. Once the app is installed and configured, preview your site to ensure everything looks and functions as expected. Adding apps is a great way to expand what your website can do, making it more interactive and useful for your visitors. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.